Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and the owner sent me by email the access code. She sent me by email this code. It's on my name and the name of the company for today, and you just scan it. How you say it? How you do this? Okay. Come on. Okay. And they open the security. And the house is right here. Pretty houses. It's dark and you cannot see it. This is this house. I'm gonna leave the car on so I can have some light and open the house. Let me pause, okay? Okay, and this is the house that I have to check. Everything is clean. We don't have to clean today. We don't have to do nothing. Just checking out all the corners of the house. Open areas. Just to see if there is something that, because it was empty. So she doesn't want to have any surprises. She's really picky. Okay, everything is good. A beautiful house. I already have some photos and video about this house. Just checking corners to see if there is anything. Everything is good. Everything looks good. Oh. Okay, perfect. This house has camera, so everything is clean, everything is good. Just checking out corners. Good. How cool is this? I love this house. This is a regular client. Everything good. Vacuuming good. We do this house every time that she comes from New York, but I don't know who is coming. Maybe family members. Okay, yeah, we're the bomb because always we do this. This is a pixie stamp. Do you see? Let's see if you can check. You can Google. It's called pixie stamp. Everything is clean. Let me flush it to have water fresh. Because someone that has another cleaning company, she's called Pixie, she created that stamp. And she put it, let me check corners, everything looks good. And she put it on Instagram. And she was like, everybody was happy with that. Let me check the other bathroom. Everything is clean. No surprises. We cleaned this house the last time. Good. Perfect. Nothing is bad. Shower's clean, haha. I see something, huh? She was right, oh my God. I'm impressed. Did you see? Let me see. Oh my God, this client is so picky. She was right. That's a dead spire. Wow. Wow. I guess that she wants to, let me flush it out. This bathroom was made by Monica. She put, and Hilda made the pixie stamp. I love pixie stamp. Let me flush that. Good. Amazing. There's a little bit of a dead bug over here. Okay. That's it. Everything looks good. Okay. Let me shut off this. Okay. Let me open this in the other way. I know it's dark, but I have a flashlight. Where's my other cell phone? Flashlight. Okay. There is no light around here. Let's see. Okay, there is light here. And Lisa, okay, she was alive. No roaches. Everything looks clean. She was worried about the corners of here. Let's see. Let me go to the corners. Everything looks good. And this is a valued thing that I offer to my clients. Every time that they live in another state and they need something, when it's a hurricane or whatever, they can count on me. They have another 2 more eyes that they can check the house. Okay, so now she requests to open this. Let me pull this down. Open. Oh, okay. It's empty. Okay. Okay. Let me grab my cell phone. Let me call her. I don't like the way that is empty. I'm gonna text her right now. Well, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Let me call the client and I will be in touch. Or maybe I'll come pause. Okay, client said that close the jacuzzi and leave the light from the patio on. I will shut off the blinds. And she mentioned that a package should be outside. So let's see. I didn't see any package, but I don't know. No package outside, maybe in the mailbox. Oh, wow. What is this? Let me put it here. Okay, they bring new. Let me see the mailbox. They got a new garbage bin for the city. Yeah, that's right. Oh my gosh, she knows everything. And she's up north. Okay, package inside. Let me talk to them. This is the garage, and they got a new garbage container from the city because they were in another state. Nobody bring these containers inside. Let me put it right here. Recycling bins. That's it. Done, 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 done. Shut off lights. Good. Patio is on. Check. Shut off this. Alarm. Got it. We are done. Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. If you have a house, a vacation home, or another property in Florida that you want to check out, just call me at 407-572-4118. Thank you. Yeah, so here's the the WhatsApp, the communication that I have with the client today. I asked for the access code. She sent me that, and I explained to her that I just found the dead spire inside the master shower and the jacuzzi is empty. So she requests to put the light on, to leave the light on the patio, and she also requests to bring in a package that was in the mailbox. I told her that I will put the new garbage bin inside the garage, and that's it. So this is a really good communication that I have with the client. And also I really like long-term relationship in my personal life and in my business. So it's a plus to have a long-term relationship with a client. The client trusts me with her house, with the alarm code, with everything, and I feel proud of all the services that we provide. So if this is the case, just call me at 407-572-4118. This is Fiorella, and thank you for watching.